Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Well, it looks like cross stitch kits. Oops, and a tool, I feel. So this is from FGOBY, and we're going to start with this little package that I felt in the bag there, and it was $5.99. Let's see what's inside, because, you know, frankly, I can't remember. Oop. Ah, one of those threaders. I don't know which one. Like I said, can't remember. Whoops. Well, thought I could get it undone. Aha, it's this one. I wish they wouldn't do that because it kind of mushes those little thread, the things that you thread with. Not that I use the big one very much, but just kind of mushes it. They need a box. Get it out of here. And we'll throw that down there. Whoops, and an extra piece. Let's see here. It should have a plastic coating on the back. I'll put that over there for right now. And I don't think there's one on the front, but let me get it so you can see. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, love it. And it's got some sparklies. Yes, it's very pretty. Now these don't say the Spring Company. Let me see if it says anything on this side. Nope. So I'm not sure if these are from the Spring Company or not. It's the same picture on the front and the back. It's beautiful. Just stunning. I love it. Well, I'm going to add it up here. We need another place to put all these, you know. I'm going to get me a piece of metal so that I can put all my needle minders and all of these threaders on it. Yeah. So, those are $5.99, and I think they have, oh, say between 5 and 10 different kinds. I'm not sure quite how many they have, but they have them in the oblong ones, and then I don't have any of the little round ones, or a round one. I don't have any in the round yet. So I'll just keep collecting them. There's a magnet there to hold your needle. And would it? Well, it would if it wasn't going anywhere. Hold the scissors. Let me put the needle away so I don't stab myself. But yeah, I think they're beautiful. And I just keep collecting them. We have 4 now. So we have the cat and the fish. We have lotus blossoms. And we have the Chinese scenery. I'd love to do a cross stitch like that. It'd be beautiful. So I'm going to put these back so that they don't fall somewhere. Hang on. Well, that's not working for me, so we're just gonna set them aside. Otherwise, it'll just be all, yeah. Okay, this one is a 50 by 50 cross stitch. Should be stamped. I think it is. You pull it out of the bag. Move that this way. Let me get the picture. It's on the bottom. Isn't that a beautiful butterfly? I just loved all those iridescent colors. Just beautiful. And the teals and the oranges. It does have the product number here. It is a 50 by 50. It's 191 by 191. It does have instructions on how to start and how to finish. This is kind of a great big piece of paper. Very easy to read. and see. But, you know, some might have to blow it up. But I don't see any blotches. I don't see any smears. Everything's good here. It has 38 colors. Of course, we have 310 black, 550 purple, 939, which is the dark blue, 823 dark blue, 3371, which is a dark brown. We have no 3865, which is white, but this looks like a white, and it's 3756. It's like an off-white. But yeah, very nice big areas. I see a little confetti here, there, and everywhere. But yeah, I think it's going to be beautiful. That 17 is 939, and the 1 is 154, which is kind of that mulberry color down in here. And number 2, which is the green, is going to be some black. So, yes, very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Alright, now I did see a toolkit. Oh, we get a butterfly this time. You cool. How funny. It's a butterfly cross stitch, and we got a butterfly bag. So it has 5 needles, poof, ball, thimble, and needle threader, and a butterfly. Yeah, we never had a butterfly, so yay. They are getting new ones. Now this, we'll look at the colors here in a second. There is a sticker on here. It does have the product number, how big it is. And I'm assuming that's 100% cotton. So let's take the colors out and see what's up. Yeah, we're trying. Looks like we got some hanks here. So you got, looks like 939. Yep. You got 2 939s, which is the dark blue. And maybe those are both the same. This is 3802. And, okay. So you got one of those. It's kind of a rustish purple, if you will. This is 902. I've used it before, and it's kind of a rustish red. Then I bet this is that 154 that I was talking about. So you got 2 skeins of that mulberry color. It's kind of a reddish Concord, if you will. I don't know how to Concord grape that is. Okay, let's see what the rest of them look like. There's a lot here. Okay, let's start with the little one. So you got 2 shades of brown, kind of a gold brown and a medium brown. But here's where all the colors are at. Oh yeah. Look at all those beautiful colors. We'll start at this end. This is the one you have the skein for. That's your 310 black. Got some reds. This is your 550 purple. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let me turn it around. If I can get a hold of it. So you got kind of a turquoise and then a green. Got a gold. Look at that dark cerulean blue. There's that one I was telling you about that was white. I just don't remember the number. But very nice. This number right here is 3371, which is that dark brown. I love to use it when I'm doing counted. It's just beautiful. So gorgeous, 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 gorgeous colors. That's beautiful. I'm going to flip it so you can see the rest of them. Aren't they beautiful? We're going to put all them puppies right in there just so we don't have any issues and nobody gets lost along the way. Put that up there. And let's look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Just cutting off the fringes. Let me open it up. It's folded in thirds here. Now the serging does go down through the numbers a little bit, but the paper pattern will match the canvas. Let's see how well the canvas is printed, if I could just get it there. That is one huge butterfly. See, it's all kind of confettied, right? Oh, yeah. Right down through here a little bit, and a little on these parts. And then you got all these big parts that's going to have all that pop out as far as color goes. It's huge. I didn't think it was this big. I don't know. Some days my brain can't wrap around how big is big. You know? I don't. It is 50 centimeters that way. And it is 51 centimeters this way, or 20, little over 20 inches. Actual size is 43.5 centimeters, or 17 inches. And this way it is 45 centimeters, or 17.75, sorry. Did I say 17.5? Maybe it was. No, it's just 17. So it's a little taller than it is wider. So very nice. Very nicely done. I'm going to hold that up as close as I can so you can see how well you can see all of the little symbols. If you have any questions, you can look at your paper pattern. That is awesome. Okay, so that butterfly was $11.99. All right. Now this one, I don't know. Correct me if I am wrong. But where is it? Oh my goodness. This is called Lakeside Flowers. It's a 40 by 50 and it was $7.99. Let me get it out of the paper and then I'll ask the question. I know, I don't know how it, you know, I'd expect y'all to keep track, but I can't keep track. I just like the way it looked. Tell me, am I crazy or have I had this? Or do I have it somewhere in my collection? But I thought it was beautiful with all the pink irises and the blue water, and then you've got some swans. So I don't know if I've had this or not. It does have a product number down here on the bottom. It is a DIY cross stitch. And it is not serged all the way around. It does not come with a toolkit. It does have 2 needles right there, though. This is not very big. But let's take a look, making sure there was nothing, sorry, my bad, nothing wrapped up in there. And somewhere, I know I'm getting ahead of myself. I am so sorry. Some days I'm just not all together here. We'll look at that in a minute. But we're going to look at these colors since they're wrapped around my arm. There we go. So you got some kind of a pale purple. You got an olive green. Some charcoal gray. Some lighter gray. Looks like 550 purple. This looks like, no, it can't be 498. Not sure what color that is. Looks like 939 or 823. And then you have teals and some more pinkish purple. And look at that lovely rust color. Isn't that gorgeous? But I like this. This is beautiful. So I'm assuming that that's part of those flowers. It could be anywhere. But just beautiful colors. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Very nicely printed too. Now on these, I just write the product number. I'll put 628 on the back of this. And that way I'll know that it goes with kit number 628. I'm just going to lay that up there and we can look at this paper pattern for a minute. I don't know what that color was. 777 red, maybe? It was 823 was a big one, and 939. No 3865. It has 25 colors, but it looks kind of confettied here, there, and everywhere. It does have that product number. There's a 628. 40 by 50, it's 129 by 173. This would definitely have to be blown up, but the paper pattern will match the canvas for symbols. Very nice. Very nicely printed, but it's just too small. Tiny. All right, let's take a look at the canvas. Let's see. I think it goes up and down. I had one with a red bridge one time, but I'm not sure if I had this one or not. See, oh yeah, we're going to have some confetti. Just a bit. It's very darkly printed. Very nice big key. It does have the color strip downside and all your DMC numbers and then your symbols. These were both 11 counts, so they're nice and easy to see the symbols. But yeah, it's going to be some confetti here, there, and everywhere. Let me turn it sideways. It does have a salvage edge, so we'll see if they give you a little bit extra. Sometimes they do, just because they do. I think it's just a thing. And maybe it might be a thing that I think is in my brain, a thing. But it is 50 centimeters across, so no extra there. But it's in an area, you know, where it's like the margins. So it's not hurting anything one way or another. It is 38.5 centimeters this way, or 15 inches. Actual picture is 15.5 inches, or 39.5 centimeters by 29 centimeters, or 11.5 inches. So, yeah, this will take a hot moment. Don't know where to start. You do have some big areas you can kind of see here, there, and everywhere. But for the most part, where this red runs through here, this is all confetti. All of it. And then you have some are bigger areas, you know, like breaking it up where that circle is. I'm trying, where is it? Right in here. So you have like a solid color, goes for a while, but where all the detail is and the flowers and the trees up there behind that bridge, oh yeah, this is nothing but confetti. So, but it is nice heavy canvas, I'll give it that much. But yeah, it's going to take a hot moment, and it is nicely printed. It even got almost too much ink on it, if you will. It kind of bled through the back, but that's not going to hurt a thing. It'll all be gone when you finish it and wash it. It'll be gone. All right. Well, that is all I got from FGOBY store. They do have free shipping on orders over $39. They have cross stitch and embroidery. Let's see. They have diamond painting and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all three. And they do have some beaded embroidery. Usually it's just the little keychain things. And they do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And I do believe I have a discount code. I will put that in the description below. If there's any specials, I will put that in the description box as well. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, FGOBY, for sending me these two beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.